Consider the given table. The table depicts the percentage of marks obtained by 10 students in a recently conducted mathematics test. Say we want to identify a collection of students who have scored 60% or more in this test. On the basis of the given definition, we can see that the students A, B, E and J become a part of the said collection. The definition of the collection in this case is such that it clearly helps us identify the students who belong to this collection and those who do not. We call such collections as well-defined collections. From the given data, let us see if we can identify the collection of students who are intelligent. In this case, some of us may say that the collection should include all students who have secured more than 60% in the test. Some others may consider only students securing more than 80% as intelligent. Some may consider any student scoring more than 50% as intelligent. This way, different people may come up with different collections. For some, A may be a part of the collection, whereas for some others, he may not be a part of the collection. The definition of the collection in this case does not help us in clearly identifying the students who belong to this collection. Hence, the given collection is not a well-defined collection. Thus, we have seen that a collection may or may not be well-defined. A collection is said to be well-defined when we can decide without any ambiguity whether a given object belongs to the collection. For example, consider that we need to write a collection of vowels in English. Now consider the objects A, B, and 1. It can be definitely said that A belongs to the collection. In case of B and the number 1, we can definitely say that they do not belong to the collection. So, irrespective of the person who writes the collection will consist of the letters A, E, I, O, and U only. This indicates that the given collection is well defined. Not all collections are well defined. For example, consider that we need to write a collection of letters in the English alphabet which appear beautiful. Now, given the letter A, it cannot be definitely said whether or not it belongs to the collection. Some may consider the letter to be beautiful, whereas others may not. This indicates that the collection is not well defined. The concept of well-defined collections plays an important role both in mathematics and also in day-to-day life. Consider a real-life situation wherein a recruitment advertisement says that only tall people are eligible for a job. Think of the confusion it can create. We know that tall is a relative term. In order to avoid such confusion, the collection should be well defined. The advertisement could have instead said that only people who are over 6 feet are eligible. This helps us in identifying the required group without any ambiguity. Such well-defined collections are referred to as sets. As discussed, a set is a well-defined collection of objects. Now consider the 6 collections shown. Which of the given collections can be classified as sets? choose the correct choice and click Submit. That's not quite right. That's correct. Excellent. We now look at some terms associated with sets. Consider a set of natural numbers less than 10. As per the definition of the set, the natural numbers 1 to 9 are part of the set. These objects are separated by commas and enclosed in braces to symbolically represent the set. This form of representation is known as the roster or tabular form. Let us name this set as A. Typically, a set is named using capital letters. Each of the objects in the set is called an element of a set. We can see that the element 1 belongs to set A, and we indicate it symbolically as shown. Also, in this case, the number 12 does not belong to the set, and we indicate this symbolically as shown. Let us now summarize what we have learned in this module. We have seen that collections may or may not be well defined. Well-defined collections are known as sets. We have also seen the roster or tabular form of representation of sets and some basic terms associated with sets.